You might have noticed that AI is all the rage these days. A few months back, ChatGPT was released and became super popular, making AI a hot topic of discussion. Regular folks like us are starting to use AI-based softwares and tools too. Even though you might have only heard about a few trendy ones on social media, many companies have been developing AI software for years now. There are already some pretty cool tools out there that can help you do amazing things. Since I'm interested in this stuff, I've tried out quite a few of these tools myself. In this video, I'll be sharing my personal favorite AI tools with you. But don't worry, after I'm done, I definitely recommend doing some research on your own too. Just do some simple Google searches to find AI tools that align with your interests. You might be familiar with this one, but the first tool that I'm going to mention is ChatGPT. It's this cool AI tool developed by OpenAI that you can talk to like a friend. It's been causing quite the buzz lately, and for a good reason, because it can help you with learning, tasks, and generating data. Literally, there are unlimited possibilities with it. You can ask it anything in your mind and it will come up with a professional answer to it. I totally recommend giving it a try since it's super user-friendly and it's free. There's even a premium version available. And with the premium version, you get access to the latest GPT-4, which is a game changer if you follow the tech news. A lot of companies are integrating the GPT-4 model into their tools and software because of its capabilities. Although, I'm sure most of us are familiar with ChatGPT at this point, so let's move on to some other AI tools that you may not have heard of yet. Have you heard of deepfakes and AI-generated images and voices? There are some really amazing tools out there that can do all sorts of cool things. One app called Lensa is really popular right now, and even celebrities and influencers are using it. When you sign up, it would ask you to upload 10 to 15 pictures of yourself and then use AI to generate a bunch of new and non-existing pictures of you with different themes like sci-fi or superhero. It's really impressive what AI can do with a few pictures of your face. But did you know there are other AI tools that can generate images without using any pictures of you? DALL-E is one example. You just need to write a text prompt and it will generate an image from scratch. There are hundreds of videos out there, people trying to generate whatever they have in their mind. Another cool tool is Midjourney. This one works as a separate server on Discord. When you create an account on Discord and access Midjourney, you get around 25 tokens to generate images using text prompts, which is plenty to see what this tool can do. It's the most used AI image generator these days, especially after their version 5 release. The image quality on Midjourney is so realistic that hundreds of people are creating art with it. So if you're interested in exploring these text-to-image generation tools, definitely check out either DALL-E or Midjourney. They're perfect for anyone who works with images or simply loves art. So we have talked about AI image generation, but what about AI video generation? It's nice to have such tools, but at the same time, it can get a little creepy too. I found this one tool called Synthesia that uses AI to make template actors say whatever you want them to. Their tone and expressions may seem robotic, but it's perfect for serious videos like company training or educational content. It's fascinating that you can make these avatar people say anything you want them to, but I'm also a bit scared of the possibility of uploading real person in the future. Speaking of AI video, have you seen Nvidia broadcast's eye contact feature? It went viral on social media because it makes it look like you're always looking directly at the camera, even when you're not. This is great for anyone who has to be on camera for long periods of time, and wants to appear attentive without having to stare at the webcam constantly. I think this is a game changer for content creators too, as they can read from their scripts without having to memorize everything and still appear engaged with their audience. Overall, it's really cool. Since we've already talked about AI images and AI video, let's talk about AI audio. Maybe you've heard those hilarious viral meme audios where your favorite celebs or influencers say outrageous things, and they sound pretty convincing, right? Well, there are lots of companies and software out there focused on creating this kind of audio. One popular option for generating celebrity AI voices is UberDuck. They're an open-source voice AI community with a huge collection of pop culture voices. Signing up for an account is easy, and you can start generating some seriously funny audio just by using their text-to-speech feature. It has a pretty insane audio collection. They've got like every pop culture voice you could think of, and it's simple to use. All you need to do is just enter the text and select the audio and generate. They offer both free and premium versions, so it's up to you how much you want to invest. This tool could be used for all sorts of things, content creation or just for fun. If you're a fan of those funny generated voice memes that pop up on social media, definitely check out uberduck.ai. If you're searching for voices that sound more like real people, or do you want AI to learn your own voice? Check out 11 Labs. Out of all the text-to-speech AI tools I've tested, 11 Labs has some of the most realistic pre-made voices. They can create natural-sounding speech by synthesizing vocal emotion and intonation. You can even upload samples of your own recorded voice for it to clone. The results are amazing, and the platform is easy to use. Plus, there are both free and paid plans available. Many content creators, presenters, and podcasters use this tool. Will you be next? And since we are on the topic of AI-generated audio, let me tell you that now we can use AI to generate music too. There are a bunch of different platforms and software trying to do this, but one of the coolest ones I found is called Soundful. With Soundful, you can pick a mood or genre and then customize the key and tempo. Although there isn't a ton of customization available yet, it will generate music from scratch based on your selections. And if you don't like what it comes up with, you can just keep generating until you find something you love. Great news for content creators who need background music that won't get them in trouble with copyright laws. And even musicians could find it useful as an extra layer in their songs. We definitely need to keep an eye on this kind of technology. Who knows where it will go next? So that's it, guys. We had a great time going through images, videos, and audio. I wanted to share with you some of the coolest AI tools that I found. But there are so many out there that deal with text, productivity, and organization. I recommend doing some research on your own to find out what works best for you. I've already integrated a few other tools into my workflow, and I'm really excited about the future of AI. If you have any suggestions for me to check out, please drop them in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video and want videos more like it, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, peace!